Hi everybody, this is Dr. D. Bethune at Brown Chiropractic, and I just wanted to go over an exercise here to help loosen up your low back and your hips at the same time. A lot of times we have patients come in and say they wake up with stiffness in the morning or they develop stiffness in their low back and hips from sitting. So this is a great reset to stretch out the low back and hips, as well as feel some breathing and activation in our core, essentially taking the stiffness from that area and putting it where we're supposed to have it. So we're going to get Dr. Brown set up here in our happy baby position. So we're going to be laying on our back, and the first thing we're going to do is reach through with our right hand, and we're going to grab our right foot. So we're going to bring that up right there, beautiful, and then we're going to do that same thing on the other side. So what we're doing here is creating a nice stretch through Dr. Brown's hips here. We're taking her low back and we're actually taking it from being locked, maybe an extension here, and giving it a little bit of flexion, stretching out those muscles, opening up some of those joints in her low back. And then what I'm going to instruct Dr. Brown to do is actually to breathe into her belly and feel that breath actually filling up into her hips and pelvis in that area. And that's going to help continue to loosen up some of those muscles in her low back and some of those muscles in her hip flexors and around her hips. In this position as well, she can think about turning on her core and bracing at the same time as she's breathing, and that can really strengthen this exercise and really give her a lot of benefit as far as loosening up her low back and hips. So that is the Happy Baby exercise. I'm sure you guys can imagine why it's called Happy Baby. Dr. D. Bethune here, signing off from Brown Chiropractic.